My name is Leslie Turner. We are in Indian Head, Maryland, and my husband and I have been in this neighborhood for 22 years. We found Onestop Kitchen and Bath as we were driving along Route 301 in Waldorf, and we happened to stop by and look at all of the different options that were available in the store, and we thought that this would be a good place for us to start our renovation project. Yeah, so we are very satisfied with the process. It was very easy for us to go in to the store, meet with the associate, tell them what we were wanting to do with our renovation project, and the process of them taking what we told them we wanted to do and actually seeing it come to fruition through the proposal when they showed it to us on the computer screen. And we approved it. We were very satisfied with that process. And then the actual process of it being come to life was very, very satisfactory. We are very, very happy with our new bathroom. Our former bathroom was the original bathroom. So it was 22 years old and was in need of updating, renovations, and all other things, to get it up to date. So we are very satisfied with this updated bathroom. The part of my project that I liked the most would be how the bathtub turned out with the little nook in front of the window. And then we actually got the television installed so that we can relax in the tub and enjoy a nice TV program at the same time. That's my favorite part. I would highly recommend a Onestop Kitchen and Bath for your next renovation project. The process is very easy. You just go in, tell them what you would like to do. They come up with their ideas, you approve it, and they get to work. And this process was so seamless. It was stress-free, and we are very satisfied with the entire project. So I highly recommend Onestop Kitchen and Bath.